Hey Ivan and Nick, just wanted to say thank you for giving us small YouTube channels centered around car detailing an opportunity to learn and grow, and kind of have this amazing opportunity to possibly partner with you guys. I just want to say thanks for that. As to what I'm expecting from DIY tuber program, you guys kind of mentioned and touched on certain little giveaways, incentives to make videos and stuff like that. I already make videos on my YouTube. I'm kind of growing my channel. I'm trying to learn and get better. Any opportunity to learn from you guys, get tips and stuff on learning how to make better videos and keep the audience engaged and stuff like that. I'd like to just learn more and just get better at what I'm doing right now. I've always got room to improve, and whatever I can do to learn from you guys. You got a successful YouTube channel, that'd be great. I originally started my channel just as kind of another social media platform for my business. Starting off, I made a Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and a website, just kind of as an outlet for potential customers to view some of the work I've done, to kind of showcase the quality that I put out, show before and after, stuff like that, and then also to kind of connect with the car detailing community, show my tips, my technique, some of the things that I like to do, different methods for cleaning vehicles, being able to connect with people that are enthusiastic about car detailing, whether it's a weekend warrior or professional or just a hobbyist. It's kind of nice to be able to connect on social media with people that are like-minded and stuff like that. So that's kind of why I started my YouTube channel. Kind of explained that already in the last question, just so I can kind of connect with people that are like-minded, and also as an outlet for potential customers to see the work that I do. It's just time to boast. Well, I don't know about boasting. I try to remain humble and open to learning. So I guess that would be maybe a positive, not being cocky or thinking that I know it all. I've only been doing this since February of 2023, so I know I've got a lot to learn, a lot of opportunity to improve, and a lot of things to just learn in general. And this car detailing profession, it's always changing. Things are techniques are being learned, new methods of doing things. I've got a lot to learn, and I love to have the opportunity to learn from you guys and learn and grow. And right now, my detailing business is just a part-time thing. I'm also having to work a full-time job as well to support my family, so I'd love to do this full-time. I'd like to put in the work and the effort in that regard, and if you guys give me the opportunity, I would love to step up to the plate and have that opportunity to work with you guys, and I think that'd be a really great thing. My favorite DIY detail product right now, I really like the All Clean, the versatility. I use it for cleaning wheels and tires, and I also use it for interior cleaning. The fact that I can dilute it 30 to 1, 40 to 1 for interiors, and get great results out of it. It's safe to use pretty much on everything. On the interior, I really like that versatility, and it also saves me money. I was using P&S Express Interior Cleaner, and that they suggest to dilute 1 to 1, and that's $30 for a gallon. I can get the All Clean for a pretty good price, and I can dilute it 1 to 15 or 1 to 30 for the interior, 1 to 40 for the interior, and I'm getting great results. So right now I like the DIY All Clean. I would say it's definitely a passion. I've always loved cars from a young age, any kind of muscle car, any cool cars like that, and I've enjoyed cleaning and cleaning cars and stuff. So I've got some collision repair formal training. I did a 2-year got a 2-year certificate in that. I graduated when the economy kind of took a crud, so I scrambled around. I got a job as a painter for an aerospace manufacturer, but it's not really. It's more of a career, more of a job. I don't really feel a passion for that. I'm not real enthusiastic about going into work, but I really like doing car detailing. It excites me. I like seeing what new cars I get each day. They're always different. Some are dirtier, some are worse. The customer's always different, whether it's mobile or people come to my home. I've always got different situations to deal with. It's exciting, and I really like the whole car detailing aspect. Things are evolving and changing, and I really have a passion for being able to clean somebody's car, seeing the before and after, and it's just exciting. So yeah, I'd love to continue this for many years, and being able to do this as a full-time gig, that would be a dream of mine, but I have to be in a place financially where I can able to do that. So I'm hoping that joining in the DIY tuber program would give me that opportunity to kind of fast track me a little bit.